Now, if you're looking to integrate ConvertKit into your Divi website, this is pretty much how you do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to enable the visual builder on a page or create a new page and bring up the visual builder. I'm going to find a section in a row and to add a module into that row by clicking this gray circle with the plus. And the main thing we need to do to get started is simply add an email opt-in. So I click to add that email opt-in module. Now I have this email opt-in over here. It doesn't look very good, but that's besides the point. We don't need to worry about that. I'm going to scroll down to email account and expand that. Now at the moment it's set to MailChimp. That's just what's there by default. But if I click on service provider and choose ConvertKit, I can now add my ConvertKit list. And at the moment there's nothing here. So I click add and you'll see it asks for an account name, API key, API secret. You can call the account name whatever you want. I can call it ConvertKit for Divi or something like that. But I need to get my API key, API secret, so I'm going to tab over to my ConvertKit account. So I have my account here, and I'm going to go up the top here and go to settings. Zoom in a little bit. I scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see under advanced, there's a few options here, including API. I click on advanced. I scroll down, and here is my API key. I simply click copy of the API key. I tab back, paste that in. I tab back over. I show the API secret. I click copy, tab back, and I paste it in there, and I click submit. And now you'll see if I have my drop down, I have all these forms I can use for Divi, for ConvertKit. So now what happens is if I remove that opt-in and delete it completely from the page, I don't save the page, it'll actually still be there in the future for me to reference and use in other email opt-ins. So once I've added it once, even if I don't keep this opt-in, it will still be there. And if I want to, if I need to update my forms, I can click fetch list. Or if I want to remove it altogether, I just simply click remove. I click confirm. And now it has been removed entirely from my website. So pretty straightforward and easy to do. That's how you can integrate ConvertKit to Divi and remove it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to check out the next video going through how to use the email opt-in. Otherwise, have a great day and hope to see you again soon.